In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to download Citi Bank mobile app. Let's get started. Launch your App Store or Play Store. The process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now in the search box, type in the app name Citi Bank and search for it. Once app appears, click on it. Now you'll see the option of Get or Install. You'll need to click on that. In the iOS devices, you might be prompted to use your Apple ID's password or Face ID. Once you complete this verification, download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster without any interruptions. Once downloaded, launch it. Now provide your account's credentials or register for your account if you are a new user. After that, you will be able to access your bank account, check balances, transfer money, and manage your cards directly from your phone. That's it. This way you can easily download Citibank mobile app. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.